I found out that if you put them in the oven, reheated chips work.
Yes. But
and also, in my nowadays, I found out that if you put a cup of water and put it in the microwave with your chips, that works as well as an oven.
both of those I've experimented with. Both of those.
Wait, stop. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Nicholas. I'm so sorry. Let's just readdress that. How that
That was so
very
rude,
rude.
Daniel. That was so rude. That was so rude. That was so rude. I felt bad. Like, I had to hold my chest.
Wait 1 second of dismissal, right? That I was some unworthy piece of cloth dangling in one's view.
Oh gosh!
There's no that you decided to, therefore, just breathe out at me. Please explain that no from your nostrils.
Reheating chips in the microwave with water may bring them life again. Not the same as an oven.
I have to concur, Justin. I have to.
Does that mean again that you agree or you don't? I can't remember.
You know what the fuck concur means?